Good evening everyone, this is my topic for today, the compare, contrast, Galilean, Aristotle, and conception of motion. Number 1, approach to motion. Aristotle. Motion is classified into natural motion and violent motion. Natural motion, objects move according to their inherent nature, stone, fall, recess. Violent motion, require internal force pushing a cart. Motion depends on the nature of the object and the medium through which it is moved. Believe objects naturally seek their proper place in the universe. Galileo. And provide a mathematical experimental